This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting, David Muir.
Good morning. We're coming on the air because the Supreme Court has just released a major decision concerning one of the most defining cases brought before the justices this term. This one's certain to have a lasting impact on millions of American students across this country. The court has just handed down a decision on affirmative action. Students for Fair Admissions, a nonprofit organization, had sued the University of North Carolina and Harvard. And the question at issue here, can public and private colleges and universities continue to use race as one factor among many in deciding who gets admitted? We have just learned moments ago that the Supreme Court is now striking down both Harvard and UNC's program when it comes to race used in admissions. The court going forward in their decision saying they're going to set new limits on the use of race when it pertains to a particular student must be part of their individual story and not simply their identity. I want to bring in Terry Moran, who has covered the Supreme Court for years for us. Terry, this is a blow for Harvard and for UNC trying to defend their programs. Again, the Supreme Court striking down their programs, but appearing to limit moving forward, saying race can be a factor, but it has to be part of an individual student's biography, personal story, their narrative.
That's it exactly, David. It's not just Harvard and the University of North Carolina that use the justification of diversity in the campus life and in the student body as a way of reaching out and finding students that could contribute to that. In that way, Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the court and striking down Harvard's and University of North Carolina's admissions policies, said that they used race in a negative manner, involved racial stereotyping, and they lacked meaningful endpoints. When would they know that the balance had been achieved? And Roberts saying rather sternly, we have never permitted admissions programs to work in that way, and we will not do so today. Instead, as you point out, the Chief Justice saying it must be tied to that student's, that individual's experience. He says at the end of his opinion, he says that if a student has overcome obstacles and can express that in, say, an essay or in a record of achievement, that student's courage and determination has overcome obstacles from racial discrimination. That student can, in fact, be considered in a slightly different way. You can't balance the student body. You can't reach for diversity. It's the student's story, experience, not the student's identity, that can be considered under this rule. It really does knock down pretty much all of the admissions policies that consider race right now on the basis of diversity and changes the game really for students trying to get into colleges and universities.
Yes, sir.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.